Are you someone who is still answering frequently asked questions of your customer manually? Then this video is definitely going to help you. In this video, I will guide you how you can build an AI assistant which is going to be available for your customer 24/7 without any coding. So in this video, we are going to learn step-by-step procedure on how we can make a smart WhatsApp chatbot powered by an AI assistant for your restaurant business. This chatbot is going to handle all the customer query, guide new users, and troubleshoot basic issue 24/7 for your customer. So without wasting any more time, let us make this smart AI assistant for your restaurant business. But before letting you know how you can make this AI assistant, let me show you how this AI assistant is going to work. For that, you can see over here, I have built an AI assistant with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. Now to test how it is going to work, I'm going to open my WhatsApp web where I'm going to send a key message. For example, I need help. As soon as I have entered my key message, they have replied me with a message which says, of course, what do you need help with? I'm here to assist you. Here I'm going to ask a question. Like here I'm going to ask about what type of restaurant they have, and for that they have replied me the restaurant is called Urban Spice Bistro and it is casual dining family friendly restaurant. If you have any more question about it, feel free to ask. After that I'm going to ask what are the restaurant timings, and for that they have mentioned all the timings. From Monday to Friday it is going to be 11 a.m. to 11 p.m. Saturday Sunday it is going to be 10 a.m. to 12 a.m. Kitchen break time will be from 4:30 to 6 and there will be no week off. Next I'm going to ask about do I need a reservation? And about the reservation, they have answered me reservation are required for groups or more than 6 people at Urban Spice Bistro. Walk-in are allowed, subjected to availability. If you do like to know how to make a reservation, feel free to ask. And here I'm going to ask exactly the same question. How can I make a reservation? For that, they have replied me, you can make a reservation at Urban Spice Bistro by calling the given number or by booking online through the website. If you need any more assist, just let me know. And as you can see, this AI assistant is answering me perfectly within few seconds and making my customer experience much more better without involving any manual effort. So if you want to enhance your customer experience and make your task automated, then let me guide you further. For that, you need to open new tab and search pabbly.com/chatflow. As soon as you're going to search this, you will be land on the landing page of Pabbly Chatflow. Over here, you can run your entire business on WhatsApp by automate marketing, sales and customer support. Not only that, we have Pabbly Community where you can get exclusive access of real-time update, helpful resources and support from both our team and fellow user. Also here you can share your ideas, ask questions and get latest update for using Pabbly application. If you want to know how to join this community, we have provided a link in the description box. You can check that out. For now, as we got to know about the community, let me move back to the landing page, and over here you can see there are two options, sign up for free and sign in. If you are a new user, you can click on sign up for free and get 100 free tasks every single month. Also with that, if you want unlimited access without any interruption for using Pabbly application, you can purchase our application by using my code MUSPC, which is mentioned on your screen and also in the description box. But note that this coupon code is available for the lifetime purchase and yearly plan, where lifetime purchase is a plan where you can get unlimited access for your lifetime without any interruption. With that, to know about the pricing, we have mentioned a link in the description box. You can check that out also. Now, as I'm existing user, I will click on sign in. Over here, you can see there are 7 different applications, out of which I'm going to use Pabbly Chatflow for today. After selecting Pabbly Chatflow, you will be landed on the dashboard page. Here you can add and manage all your WhatsApp number from one place by using Pabbly Chatflow dashboard page. Now, if you want to add your WhatsApp number, you need to click on add WhatsApp number, inside which you can see WhatsApp Connect and manual token connect feature is given. If you want to know in detail how to add your WhatsApp number, you can check the mentioned video in the description box. Also with that, we have many other features like inbox, contact, team queue, template, broadcast, flow, AI assistant, activity log, WhatsApp payment, setting and get help. If you want to know any of these features in detail, we have provided a detailed video for that as well in the description box. You can check that out. For today, as we are making AI assistant, I will select that feature. And from here, I can add my new AI assistant by clicking on add AI assistant feature. After that, I need to provide a meaningful name. As we are making this AI assistant for restaurant business, I will name it accordingly as AI assistant for your restaurant business on WhatsApp. After that, I'm going to click on add AI assistant button, and from here I can build my AI assistant for my restaurant business. For that, as soon as we will going to land on this page, we need to select the AI instruction which is given over here. There are different type of AI instruction like AI agent, customer support, sales agent, language tutor, coding, life coach, futuristic fashion advisor. For today, as we are making AI agent, I will select AI agent as my instruction type, and with that they have provided me instruction over here automatically where they explain how AI assistant is trained and how it is going to work. In this instruction, it is also mentioned that how AI assistant is going to solve your problems, reply efficiently, and listen all of your problem attentively. Below that, I'm going to set AI configuration, in which temperature is a key feature, where 0 means focus and 1 means creative. For today, I'm going to keep my temperature as 0.3 to keep my reply more focus and slightly creative. After that, I'm going to select my AI platform, which is going to be OpenAI, and below that I'm going to select my AI model. Here my AI model is going to be GPT-4o Mini, which is a cost-effective model. Below that, you need to provide API key. Now to get API key, you need to click on this hyperlink, and from here you can build your API key. And from here you can create your API key by clicking on create new secret key button, and after that you need to name your secret key. After providing my name, I'm going to click on create secret key button, and here my key is generated over here. I'm just going to copy this key and paste it over here. Now here I'm going to click on connect button, and as you can see my key is saved successfully. Below that, you need to set AI assistant setting, where you need to provide header message, footer message, stop keywords, retry attempts, and fallback message. Here stop keywords are going to be the words that is going to transfer your chat from AI assistant to human, and fallback message is going to be the message that is going to be responded whenever your AI assistant is not working properly or set up properly. Now, as we are done with our AI instruction, I'm going to move forward to the knowledge source, where we need to upload the knowledge source based on your business. Here, as you can see on my Google Doc, I have made a knowledge base where I have provided all the information according to my restaurant, like the restaurant name, address, contact details, opening timing, average pricing, food that we are going to provide, and other question related to my restaurant. Now here I'm going to download this knowledge base in a plain text form, and as you can see my knowledge base is downloaded over here. I'm just going to drag and drop and paste it over here, and with that my knowledge base is uploaded successfully. After that, I will move forward to the assistant interface, where I'm going to provide header display, initial message, footer text, footer link, and user first message. Now for the heading name, here I'm going to provide my company name. As my restaurant name is Urban Spice Bistro, I have named it accordingly. Below that, you need to enter header display subheading name, which is going to be mentioned below your header name. On to our next step, we need to provide our initial message, which is going to be delivered whenever we receive user first message. You can add at least 2 initial message, and to add your message you just need to type your message and press the enter key, and your message will be added over here. After that, you need to provide display label. You can disable it or enable it. As I don't have any issue, I will enable my label, and below that I will provide footer text and footer link of my company. Lastly, I will provide user first message that is going to be entered whenever they need to initiate or trigger the chat, where my user first message is I need help. Now let's move to the last setting, which is styling. Here you can style your AI assistant and make it attractive for your customer, where you can provide 3 mode: assistant shape, background color, text color, header profile picture, assistant profile picture, and background picture. For today, I'm going to leave it as it is, and with that I have done setting up my AI assistant. Now to make it active, I'm going to turn on the toggle and save my AI assistant, and as you can see my AI assistant saved successfully. That means it is ready to run in real time. But before testing this AI assistant, we need to know few features. For that, you need to come with me to the settings section, and here you can see the inbox setting is given. I'm going to open this setting in a new tab, and onto this page you need to scroll down and come to the AI auto reply setting, where you can enable AI auto reply by just turning on the toggle With that, you can also select your contact list and AI assistant to whom you want to assign this AI assistant by clicking on add more rules, where I'm going to select my contact list as all contact and AI assistant that we have built recently. And after providing all of these details, I'm going to save my AI auto reply setting. And as you can see, my setting saved successfully. That means it is ready to run in real time and my AI assistant is ready to reply within few seconds. Now to test my AI assistant, again I'm going to open my WhatsApp web. Here I'm going to clean my previous chat. And after that, again I'm going to enter my key message, which is I need help. As soon as I have entered my key message, where they have again replied me with a message which says I am here to help. What do you need assist with? Please let me know. Here I'm going to ask a question from the knowledge base, where I'm going to ask what cuisine do you serve, and here I'm going to enter the similar question. And as soon as I have entered my question, they have replied me with an answer which says Urban Spice Bistro serve a fusion of North Indian, Chinese and Italian cuisine. And as you can see, they have replied me the similar answer that we have provided on our knowledge base. That means my AI assistant is working successfully without any manual effort and without any coding. So what you are waiting for? Just build your AI assistant and purchase our application by using my code MUSPC to get an exclusive discount on your purchase. With that, if you have any doubt, you can tell me in the comment section below. I will see you in my next video. Thank you for watching. Not only this, you can create many more Chatflow using Pabbly Chatflow. For any doubt, you can contact us on support@pabbly.com. For any query, you can write us on forum.pabbly.com. And for pricing detail, you can visit this website. Now go and create your free Chatflow using Pabbly Chatflow. I will see you in my next video. Till then, thank you for watching.